This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Donna Carlin. This is a wonderful 4-square home in Morningside. It has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with a laundry room conveniently located upstairs near the bedrooms. Great concept. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet. Much updating has been done the past few years. It has a nice fenced-in backyard with off-street parking in the back with plenty of room to build a garage. This is a wonderful location and just waiting for the new owners. For more information, review the details below.